Thank you very much for joining me. I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. Thank you for being part of this weather community. It's about safety. And one thing I'm watching is this big swirl here. The rain chance for some of us is going up in a big way. Jamaica the next few days. I'll show you the trend going up. Belize next week, it's going up. So some different spots are going to get some rain. A big swirl here, watching out for the severe weather potential, southeast United States. It didn't become tropical in nature. This is what I've been tracking for really over the last 2 weeks, seeing signs of this. This lifting up to the north. You see an old front through here. So if you are closer to this action, simply put, a better chance of rain. And we did have heavy rain in parts of the Bahamas and Florida yesterday. Fort Lauderdale in Florida had 26 inches of rain. You know how it goes when you're dealing with some tropical-like weather. You could get those downpours in a big way and get that intense flooding. Always a major concern. So let me show you what's next and take you out in time. Now, this is today. Again, closer to the front, spotty showers. Not as much as yesterday in the Bahamas, but still that chance of some rain. Watching Haiti, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, passing shower. My friends in the British Virgin Islands, U.S. Virgin Islands, watching over towards St. Martin, over towards St. Bart's, about a slight 20-30% chance of a shower. Now, as we go forward in time, let me take you out. Here we go by tomorrow afternoon. Still mainly dry Mexico, Yucatan, and Belize for now. There's the old front, so still spotty showers in the same area. Hit or miss Costa Rica and Panama. Watching Colombia. Now, Guyana, we had some rain in spots yesterday and over the last few days. Other spots dry. Suriname, scattered showers. Passing showers, St. Lucia, Barbados, Dominica as we get into the weekend. This is Saturday. Rain chance on Saturday, kind of in between, so not as high. This front leaves us on Saturday, gets out of the picture, so we're in between, and we are now waiting on our next system. So let me take you out in time, get you through Sunday into Monday, early next week. Look what happens here, the buildup of moisture here. I talked about this, I think it was like 4 or 5 videos ago. You see here, we're going to see a surge of moisture for the Western Caribbean. One spot we haven't had a whole lot of rain. I know there's other spots as well. We need the rain, say Trinidad and Tobago, for example. We've got some of the wildfires going, but this is early next week. Late on Monday, you see that rain chance increasing. Parts of Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, creeping into Honduras. I'll watch over toward the Cayman Islands, Jamaica, Cuba, and again up through the Bahamas for that better chance of rain and still spotty showers. Dominican Republic, Haiti, Puerto Rico. So keeping an eye on this. Yeah, the ABC Islands, Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire. Not a whole lot, but again, this is going to be a change. I'll be monitoring for you as we get into next week. I want to give you that early heads up, thinking of our farmers, agriculture workers out there trying to plan ahead, and you just may simply need the water. Now, the next 3 days as a whole, not much rain here, and that's why it's one of those spots we need it in the Western Caribbean. Just some spotty showers here that may amount to an inch in spots tops, but you get into our northern sections, Dominican Republic, parts of Haiti, over toward parts of Cuba and up through the Bahamas, we may get a little bit more, an inch or 2 inches of rain, 25 millimeters or 50 millimeters of rain. Suriname, a better chance of seeing anywhere from 25 to about 40 millimeters of rain. Guyana, passing showers, and then as you get into Colombia, better chance of rain. But by the time we get into next week, again, the Western Caribbean, that rain chance will be going up. Keeping an eye on the seas. They've been behaving as a whole. Thank you to my captains out there. I see the comments. You've been letting me know what's going on as you traverse the waters. Again, higher seas, northeastern Gulf of Mexico as we go throughout the day today because, again, that spin working in. Choppier as you get over toward the Bahamas, especially in the east-facing side. Caribbean, not as much. And, again, some crazy seas as is typical in the northern Atlantic with passing storm systems. So monitoring the seas as well. Let me dive into some forecasts for you. So Belize, rain chance 20% in the next couple days. But I showed you, we are going to see this change together as we get into next week. Jamaica, scattered showers and storms around, 40% chance, not too high, but some of us have gotten rain. Some of us have been dry. We'll do that again tomorrow, but Saturday into Sunday and again Monday, that rain chance trending up over toward Montego Bay, Falmouth, and Kingston. We get back toward Puerto Rico, San Juan. 20% chance of rain today, about a 20 to 30% chance over the next few days or so. And back toward my friends in St. Kitts and Nevis, rain chance, the passing variety, easterly flow, so a 20 to 30% chance of a passing shower. Nothing widespread, nothing substantial. Same thing Trinidad and Tobago, mainly dry today. Watching out for some smoke in some areas from the wildfires. Rain chance goes up a little bit as expected, not too high, but as we get into the weekend, same thing in Grenada. Rain chance creeping up slightly, but still staying on the low side overall through the end of the week and as we get into the upcoming weekend. So watching out for those tropical downpours in the Gulf of Mexico, southeastern United States. Increasing rain chance for Jamaica as we go over the next few days. I showed you that 50-60% chance of rain, not a washout, but it goes up. And then next week, that higher chance of rain, watching Belize, El Salvador, parts of Mexico, Guatemala, seeing that higher chance of rain, parts of Honduras. And by the way, I did update the seaweed. I saw your comments. You left a lot of them yesterday over on Earth QC. I'll put a link to that in the comments. So if you want an update on those waves of seaweed, check that out. So I'll keep you up to date on this evolving weather pattern in the different spots that will be getting rain. I'll monitor that and get you an update as well on the Saharan dust. Got you covered right here. Thank you for being part of this channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day.